Hey guys, sorry I haven't made a long video in a while. I haven't been doing much, just mostly working and coming home, cleaning my house, cooking. As you can see there now, I'm boiling up a big, huge ham, and I got potatoes in there. So those potatoes, when they boil, I'm gonna make potato salad to go with the ham. So that's what I got on there now. And I'm just making myself a mocha. That's a teaspoon of instant coffee and a teaspoon of hot chocolate. Now I just got to put in 2 teaspoons of sugar. I love that drink. I find it really, really good. Now I'm going to take you guys out and show you our new truck. We finally got our truck there, not yesterday, the day before. It's not brand new, but it's new to us. It's a 2022. There's our truck. She's a Ford F-150 2022. She's in awesome shape. She has lots of room in her. That's my pack of straws. I take that because I hate paper straws when we go to things. They turn soggy. Blech. Anyway, this is the inside of her. That's the manuals. My hubby's got the manuals out. He's looking at the manuals because we're trying to figure everything out on it because it's new to us. There's the dash. And there's... What does it do? I'll show you. Look at all the room, guys. And there's a compartment there. There's compartments everywhere. Cup holder back there. And now, she was supposed to be clean before we got her, but she's still dirty. Look how dirty it is inside. We gotta clean that. Because like I said, it's secondhand. They said they cleaned it, but it's not very clean. And look how much room there is back here. Tons of room. And there's vents and plug-ins. We got tons of plug-ins like that down there. And up front, I don't know, wait, I'll zoom, see if you guys can see it. See the plug-ins up there for phones, and there's ones down in the console for the phones too. I'll zoom back out. There's tons of room in her. And all the side doors look like cup holders, and more room in all the doors. Like I said, she's not brand new, but we needed another vehicle, like another truck, because our truck still runs fine, but she's starting to rust out. Oops, there we go. Now I'll zoom out. And the cool thing about it, this here tailgate locks. When you lock the truck doors, the tailgate locks, so it doesn't come down at all. You can't take it down unless the truck is unlocked. And she's a lot higher up than our Chevy is too. Way higher. Like I said, our truck has really low mileage. It's only like 70-something thousand kilometers on her, but she's starting to rust on the bottom. This side, not so bad. I'll show you the driver's side. The driver's side is where it's all rusting. Now you see all the rocker panels are rusted, and these sideboards are coming loose on this side. The bolts are coming loose, so we bought new ones. We're going to fix it up. And underneath the chassis, there's a crack in the chassis, but a mechanic told us it can be fixed. They'll weld metal plates around the small crack. We're on two minds if we're going to keep her or sell her. My husband said we can just use her for in the woods and stuff like that, because she still runs perfect. It's just she's starting to rust. And like I said, with the crack in the chassis, it makes me kind of nervous, so we'll probably keep her, or like you said, and we'll use her for the woods and hunting and fishing, or we'll sell her to somebody who could use her for hunting, fishing, whatever. Now, in a couple of days time, guys, I'm going to be going on holidays. I'm only off the weekend right now from work. I work the rest of the week, but towards the middle of the week, we're going to go trout fishing. So I'm going to have lots of videos. Plus, we're going to be going in the woods and stuff like that. So I'll have some more videos for you guys. There you go. Dinner's all cooked. The ham's all done. Salad's done. All I got left to do, me and my hubby, we like paprika sprinkled over the top for a potato salad. So that's all I got left to do. Can you guys hear the church bells? I know there's a lot of traffic noise, but the church is nowhere near us. But in the evenings when it's kind of quiet, you can hear the church bells. That's one thing I like about living here. And the church is like nowhere near us. But where the bells are so loud, we can hear them on our street. Now that supper's done, I got out a bag of chocolate chips. I'm going to make some fudge for dessert for later on this evening, because like it'll take a while to set, but that's next on my list to do. I'll have another video out for you guys very soon in the next day or two, because we're going to be going trout fishing. Just hope the weather cooperates with us, because it called for rain, but it was beautiful all day today, even though it said it was supposed to rain. So hopefully it stays like that, it stays nice. And we're going to be going in the woods and stuff like that too, so I'll have some videos out for you guys. So I'll catch you guys in the next one.